The internet has become the backbone of modern life. We use it for communication, education, commerce, and entertainment. It's hard to imagine a world without the web. Its tendrils reach into every aspect of our existence. We depend on it for news, for connecting with loved ones, and for navigating our daily routines. This reliance makes the web a powerful tool, but it also makes us vulnerable. What happens when the tools we rely on are controlled by a few powerful entities? What are the implications for our privacy, our freedom, and the future of the internet itself? In the early days of the internet, there was a sense of boundless possibility. People believed that this new digital realm would be a place of freedom, creativity, and endless opportunities. John Perry Barlow, in his 1996 Declaration of the Independence of Cyberspace, famously proclaimed, "Governments of the industrial world, you weary giants of flesh and steel, I come from cyberspace, the new home of mind." This declaration was a bold statement, envisioning a world where the internet would be free from governmental control and interference. It was a vision of a digital frontier, free from the constraints of the physical world. A place where ideas could flow freely, and innovation would thrive without the limitations imposed by traditional institutions. But that utopian ideal has faced challenges. Over the years, the internet has evolved in ways that many did not anticipate, leading to new forms of control and surveillance. Today, the internet is increasingly dominated by a handful of large corporations. These tech giants have amassed unprecedented power and influence over the digital landscape. These companies control the platforms we use, the information we see, and the data we generate. They shape our online experiences and have a significant impact on our privacy and autonomy. This concentration of power has significant implications for the future of the open web. As we navigate this new reality, it is crucial to reflect on the original dream of the internet and consider how we can reclaim some of that lost freedom. Google Chrome, with its sleek interface and vast ecosystem of extensions, reigns supreme in the browser market. It holds a commanding lead, capturing a significant majority of global market share. Millions rely on Chrome for their daily browsing needs. From checking email to streaming videos, it has become an indispensable tool. While Chrome's dominance is undeniable, it raises concerns about the potential for monoculture. When a single browser becomes too powerful, it can stifle innovation. It can also create a single point of failure, making the web vulnerable to security threats and censorship. The dangers of a browser monopoly are manifold and far-reaching. When one browser dominates, web standards can become beholden to the whims of a single company, dictating the direction of the internet. This stifles innovation and limits the choices available to users, creating a stagnant digital environment. Imagine a world where websites are designed only for Chrome, leaving users of other browsers in the digital dust, unable to access essential services. Furthermore, a monopoly can lead to a lack of privacy, as user data becomes centralized. When one company controls the browser, it has access to vast amounts of user data, which can be exploited. This data can be used for targeted advertising, surveillance, and other purposes that may not align with users' best interests, compromising their privacy. The erosion of privacy is a slippery slope, and a diverse browser ecosystem is essential to safeguarding our digital rights, ensuring a free and open internet for all. Section 5. A flurry of new browsers takes flight. Fortunately, a new generation of browsers is emerging to challenge the status quo. These browsers offer innovative features, prioritize privacy, and aim to create a more open and equitable web. They represent a beacon of hope in a landscape increasingly dominated by corporate giants. Among these new contenders are Ladybird, Verso, and Blitz. Each browser brings its own unique approach to the table, offering users a genuine alternative to the established players. They are pushing the boundaries of what a browser can be, focusing on speed, privacy, and user empowerment. Section 6. Ladybird. Born from the spirit of serenity. Ladybird, in particular, has garnered attention for its minimalist design and focus on privacy. It's the brainchild of the Serenity OS project, an open-source initiative building a complete operating system from scratch. Born from a desire for simplicity and user control, Ladybird reflects the ethos of its parent project. Serenity OS, with its retro aesthetic and commitment to building from first principles, has cultivated a passionate community of developers. This dedication to craftsmanship extends to Ladybird, which is designed to be fast, lightweight, and respectful of user privacy. It represents a return to the web's original vision of openness and user empowerment. Section 7. The power of nonprofit. Charting a different course. Unlike many mainstream browsers developed and controlled by large corporations, Ladybird is a nonprofit project. It relies on donations and sponsorships to fund its development. This independence allows Ladybird to prioritize user interests over shareholder profits. This nonprofit model is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the web. By being beholden to its users rather than to advertisers, Ladybird can focus on creating a browsing experience that is private, secure, and respectful of user data. It is a powerful example of how alternative funding models can help shape a more equitable internet. Section 8. Chromium's shadow: a blessing and a curse. Many alternative browsers, including Brave, Vivaldi, and Microsoft Edge, are built on Chromium, the open-source project that forms the foundation of Google Chrome. This reliance on Chromium offers advantages in terms of compatibility and performance. By leveraging the existing Chromium codebase, these browsers can hit the ground running, offering a familiar browsing experience. However, this reliance on Chromium also presents challenges. It can lead to a monoculture in terms of browser engine technology, potentially limiting innovation. Additionally, it raises concerns about Google's influence over the web. Section 9. Building from scratch. A monumental task. Building a browser from the ground up, as Ladybird has done, is a formidable undertaking. It's not just about writing code. It's about creating a seamless experience for users. It requires a deep understanding of web technologies, meticulous coding, and a commitment to long-term development. Every line of code must be scrutinized, every feature tested rigorously. The complexity of modern web browsers is immense. They are not just simple tools for viewing web pages. They are sophisticated platforms that support a myriad of functionalities. They need to handle a vast array of web standards, security protocols, and user interface elements. Ensuring compatibility and security is a continuous challenge. Despite the challenges, the effort to build independent browsers is essential for the long-term health of the Internet. It's about more than just competition. It's about innovation and freedom. It ensures diversity, fosters innovation, and provides users with genuine alternatives. Independent browsers push the boundaries of what's possible, driving the entire industry forward. The emergence of browsers like Ladybird is a testament to the enduring spirit of independent development and the pursuit of a more open web. It's a celebration of creativity, determination, and the relentless quest for a better digital world. Section 10. Fostering a vibrant web: our collective responsibility. The future of the Internet depends on a diverse and vibrant browser ecosystem. We cannot afford to let a handful of corporations control our access to information and online experiences. As users, we have a responsibility to support independent browsers like Ladybird, Verso, and Blitz. By exploring these alternatives, we can send a clear message that we value choice, innovation, and a web that serves the interests of all users. we can contribute to a future where the internet remains a diverse and thriving ecosystem, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collaboration.